Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mine YesCoin. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Telegram and you want to go to the YesCoin section and then click on Play for Airdrop. Now you need to wait for it to load up. Basically, to mine it, you just have to swipe your finger on the screen and basically you will get the YesCoins. Basically that's how you mine them. And once you have enough, you can go to the build section. And upgrade stuff, like do whatever you want. But basically this is how you mine. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.